In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks to team members in Stack. This process is essential for streamlining your workflow and ensuring that everyone on your team knows exactly what they need to work on. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Stack login page. This is your gateway to accessing all the productivity tools Stack has to offer. Once you arrive at the login interface, you'll see the option to log in with Google. Selecting this option is not only convenient but also secure, as it allows you to use your existing Google account without needing to remember another password. Once you've clicked on Login with Google, you'll be directed to a screen where you can choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your work in Stack. This helps maintain clear boundaries between personal and professional undertakings. Simply click on the appropriate account and you'll be redirected back to Stack. Now that you're logged into Stack, it's time to choose your project. On the main dashboard, locate the project that you're currently working on. This could be a team project or a personal initiative. Click on the project to access its specific workspace, where you can manage and organize the tasks related to it. Once you're in the project view, direct your attention to the Assign To section. Here you'll find an option to add users. Click on Plus Add User. This feature is particularly useful when you need to distribute responsibilities among team members. It ensures that everyone is aware of their tasks and deadlines, promoting accountability and efficiency. To assign tasks, you need to search for the user you'd like to delegate the work to. Stack provides a search bar where you can type the user's name. As you type, suggestions will appear, making it easier to find the correct team member, especially in larger teams. This search functionality is indispensable for projects involving extensive collaboration. After locating the intended user, you'll see a checkbox beside their name. Ticking this checkbox is your confirmation for assigning the task to them. It's a simple yet effective way to assure that the right person receives the right job. Finally, to cement the assignment of the task, you'll need to click on Confirm. This step finalizes the entire process and sends a notification to the assigned team member, informing them about the new responsibility. It's a neat and effective way to keep everyone on the same page without having to send out additional emails or messages. And that's it. You've successfully assigned a task to a team member in Stack. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your projects more efficiently. With these steps, you can empower your team with clear directives, optimizing both individual contributions and collective project outcomes. Stay tuned for more tutorials that can help enhance your productivity.